Hi there and welcome back to another episode of Budget Gaming HD. In today's episode, we'll be covering how to make your own VPN, so you don't want to miss that. So in an unfortunate event, you manage to sink your boat or your plane has crashed, you swim to shore and find out you're on a mysterious island called Tiki Tiki. On this island, only 2% of your Netflix content is available. However, never fear, I've got the answer. So on today's sponsor. So if you're like me and you prefer PC games over mobile games, I've got the ultimate game lined up for you guys. I'll leave a link in the comment section below on where to download the PC version of Shadow Raid Legends. Yes, you heard right, the PC version of Shadow Raid Legends. You can't afford not to download this. It's a fantastic game with fantastic graphics, and I prefer it over the mobile version by far. So what are you waiting for? Head down to the link, click download, and that's all you need to do. So let me show you guys how to set up a VPN server under 60 seconds. Yes, you heard right, under 60 seconds. So first what you want to do is you want to head over to your router. We want to set up a few port forwarding rules. So my port forwarding settings is under advanced settings, security, and port forwarding. So I just want to create a new rule. So this will be the IP of my Mikrotik. So the protocol I'll be using is PPTP, and that stands for point-to-point tunneling protocol. And that is on port 1723. So we just want to do this, 1723 and 1723. And this is a TCP port, enabled on. So let's add the rule. Perfect, rule is enabled. Now I want to hop onto my Mikrotik. Now if you haven't seen my videos yet on how to configure a Mikrotik, I would suggest you hop on to one of my previous videos. Now once you're in your Mikrotik, you want to click on VPN access and I want to give it a password. Please make sure your password is secured. Hit apply, and that's all we need to do. Let's test our VPN. I want to say add. I want to say Windows built-in. My connection name will be, let's call it VPN test. So the server name will be found in your VPN. It's called VPN address. It's a very long address. So the username will be VPN and the password. Save. Let's connect. Success. We're connected. So just to prove I'm on the same network, let's download Winbox and see if I can see my server, which I should be able to see because I'm on the same network. Go to my neighboring devices, and there's my Mikrotik. And there I am in my Mikrotik through my VPN on a completely separate network. Now, just in a nutshell, you don't need a VPN to access unlimited content from your country. You can use this VPN literally to view your cameras, view your security system, control anything from anywhere in the world. Because you're essentially connecting to your own VPN, you're inside your own network, and that's like being connected locally. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or didn't like it. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit my ding dong to stay up with my content. Now, if you ever wondered how to make your own VPN server, now you do. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you soon.